Hello boys and girls, this is Miss Fortman and I'm going to be explaining your spelling lesson for today. In your spelling you're going to be writing some digraph tongue twisters. So what you are going to do first is you are going to write your title if you are working in a workbook. You're going to write digraph tongue twisters. Remember, capital letters. And I'm going to be writing my date. It's the 29th of the 7th, 21. Now you just need to choose one digraph that you are going to write your tongue twister with. So, as an example, if you choose the digraph ch made with the letters C and H, you could write a digraph like this: chunky cherry chocolate cookies. So let's write that down. Chunky cherry chocolate cookies. Full stop, and don't forget to go back and underline your digraph. So I've underlined my CH digraph in chunky, cherry and chocolate. Now once you have written your tongue twister, you can go and draw a little picture. So you might decide to draw a nice yummy cookie. It's like a nice chocolate cookie and it's going to have some nice cherry chunks. Let's see if you can draw a better picture than Miss Fortman. And then you can colour it in. You might decide to do another tongue twister. If you have time and you're enjoying this activity, you could write a tongue twister using the same digraph as the one before, or you might like to choose a different digraph. So maybe you would like to choose the digraph made with the letters T and H. Now I'm using my digraph as a bit of a subtitle. So it's a little subheading that you can write so that your teacher knows that you are using this digraph for your tongue twister. Now for the digraph, I'm going to write: a thirsty thief had his tooth taken out on Thursday. Let's start with our capital letter. A thirsty thief had his tooth taken out on Thursday. Now don't forget to go back and underline your digraph. So that is the digraph in thirsty, thief, tooth and Thursday. Now you might come across some words that have the same sound, but it's not written with your two consonants that make your digraph. So as an example, you could write: a wicked whale whistled on a waiting wagon. Now wicked, waiting and wagon all have the same w sound as whale and whistled, but they're not written with your WH in the digraph. They're just written with a W. Now, you can write a tongue twister like that, but you just have to show that you know which which words are written using the digraph and which words are not. So let's write a wicked whale. A wicked whale whistled. Don't forget your silent T. Whistled on a waiting wagon. So we know that whale has a WH that makes your W sound, and the same applies for whistled. But wicked, waiting and wagon are not written using a digraph. They're just written using a W, so just one letter that makes the sound. So what you could do is you could just circle those letters just to show that you know that they are different from the digraph. So if you would like to write a tongue twister that uses a combination of digraphs and letters to make sounds, you can. You just have to show your teacher that you know the difference. So I hope that you enjoy writing your digraph tongue twisters, and I look forward to reading some very funny ones.